Hi, and welcome to another episode of Glenn's Tech Corner. In this video, I'll show you how to blend together two images in Photoshop. There is a super cool feature in Photoshop that very easily allows you to blend together two photos. So I have this photo, and then I have this photo, and I want to blend them together so it looks like the plane is in the other photo. How we do this is we take the selection tool, the lasso tool, and just make a very rough drawing around this element that we want to place in. Like this. Then we do a copy command. We go to the other photo and we paste it. Now the background doesn't match at all, the lighting and tone doesn't match, and of course the size is a little bit odd. So first I'll just do a transform, put it in how I would like it to be placed when it's done. Like this. Then what we do is we unlock the background so both of the layers are unlocked. We select both of them, we go to Edit, and then to Auto Blend Layers. In here you have two options, and for this one we want to use Stack Images. It asks if it should like seamless tones and colors, which is what we want to do, and if it should content aware fill transparent areas. We don't have any, but we would like it to do. Clicking OK, and in 3, 2, 1, it just happened to do it. This is a super smooth way. It works best when one or both of the images have kind of plain background. So if there was a lot of elements in the background of this plane, it might not work as smooth. Sometimes you need to do a little bit masking and deleting some objects afterwards, but other times it just works perfectly in the first try. So I think this is a super cool feature, and I hope it can help you be even more efficient in Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching.